Hi there little kids. Today we learn to draw a nice cute little chick. So let's get started. We'll draw 2 circles for its eyes. Okay, now 2 more circles inside. I'm coloring it black. Okay, now we'll draw its little beak. Draw a small shape like this. It should be really small. And a curved line. Okay, now the chick is smiling. And now we'll draw its head. Its little wings should be really smaller than the head. See? And its little body, almost like a circle, just a part of a circle. Its legs, draw 2 small lines. And 1, 2, and 3 lines in the front and a small line behind. Now repeat it for the other leg. Okay, now we'll draw some eyelashes if you want to make it cute. There you go. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.